Hello friends, how are you?
I'm fine.
Really?
Yes.
So, are you ready to draw this one?
Yes.
Okay. See, here we'll draw a lady.
Okay.
Can you draw this one?
No.
Is this tough?
Yes.
But how can I help you? Tell me.
We have to do steps.
I have to do steps.
Yes.
So at first, see, you should complete her face. Then you'll go her body. After that, you'll complete her lower portion.
Okay.
So now, is it possible? If you follow the step by step, then you can draw very easily.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, here I am not showing any steps. Just when you draw this one, at that time, just step by step you have to draw. At first, you will complete her face, then body, then hands. After that, you can go lower portion. Then you can go to background.
Okay. The girl is so cute.
Yes. If you feel the girl is cute, then you can draw.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I do girl with phone?
Yes, you can do some design in your own choice. Okay.
Okay.
And do you want to say something about this drawing?
What will I say?
I'm asking to you. What do you want to say?
Nothing.
Nothing. See,
What is this?
see, what is this? Tell me. So, friends, I think you can draw this one very easily. Is it? Yes, you can do it. I know if you follow this process, you can draw any composition very easily. Just you should follow the process. Okay. Here just we will learn only the drawing. Okay. After completing this figure, just we will go to the background. Okay. And if we want, we can add more figure. And when you draw background, at that time we should follow the perspective drawing properly, because if we want to make any composition, we should apply the perspective. Okay, here I am not showing the perspective process. Okay, just try to know the perspective knowledge from your art teacher. Okay,